last person on there.
It's the same thing as the jumping and fighting as the one
Yeah,
we did.
but everyone's against everyone.
Okay.
I'm gonna fight you, Aunt Rana.
Oh, me and Talon.
Oh, you poo.
It was only the practice. It was only practice. So you ready?
Sure.
I thought that was the real deal.
Yeah, me too.
You're a dick.
This time I'm gonna be fighting you, Aunt Rana.
You can fight the other two too. Alright, that's Aunt Brianna.
Aunt Rana, I'm not wanting to fight you. I wanted to fight Aunt Trina when you were fighting the one.
Oh, it's so on, Brianna.
No!
Oh! Oh, wait, that's not me. Never mind.
I'm gliding off the ice!
Not for retarded.
Oh,
Who's
no!
gonna win this game?
I don't know, it's taking forever. Yes!
Woo! Look at him.
Get down.
I don't want him getting hurt. That's why I said that.
Looky, Talon, Aunt Trina won again.
Yeah, and I won some coins.
No, you didn't.
I want some now.
I didn't think that.
Please let me have some coins.
He has like no idea.
Choose to accelerate, and then
Yeah.
you just turn.
So it's like a racing game?
Yeah.
Oh, I played this.
That was dangerous.
How do you get you going?
Press 2.
Press 2.
Oh.
I like to.
It says turn around, so I'm turning around. Going straight.
No, it's telling you there's a turn.
Turn that way.
I'm not good at this game.
Neither am I, bud.
Neither am I.
Oops.
It's
I was
not
looking
letting
off
me
Katrina's
do
there for a second.
anything. I ain't.
I
I
pressed it.
told you I don't like this game. I hate this Simon.
That wasn't even the real game!
It doesn't let me do very good on the Simon. I hate it so much.
Oh, really? You don't like this?
Yes,
Is that a yes that you do or a yes you don't like it?
I don't like it. Please, I told you I didn't like it. I do like it.
Why are you going backwards?
I don't know which way I'm going.
I'm like right behind Katrina, so I'm not gonna win. Unless somehow I get over her on this one turn.
How do you turn around? Okay, just keep on going. No.
Ah, I ran into you!
Yay.
I hate you. I hate whoever was in that car. I hate them. And I hate playing this game. I am never playing it ever again until somebody lets me win.
Oh, Bree beat you.
Probably
You
good.
poo.
Boom. Go, Brianna! Ella!
Okay.
It's kibble.
Practice.
How do we do this?
You just. This is all you do.
That?
Yeah, you gotta steer your way through. Your best bet is to try and get in front of people so that
Yeah.
they can push you.
Shoot, I'm stuck.
I'm behind you, Bree. That's so funny.
I know.
Yeah, Katrina's gonna win.
I hate you. I hate you so much.
Darn it.
Wow.
I hate you so much.
So who do you love the most?
I love you the most, Aunt Brianna. Oh,
I'm pushing
yeah.
Talon.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Don't let Talon win.
Aunt Trina. Aunt Trina! I hate you so much, Aunt Trina. Once you win, Aunt Trina, I'll hate you more.
I'm stuck.
I hate you!
Hey, at least he's not sitting
That's
there jumping
his
down and
job.
saying I hate you. Pointing at you saying he hates you.
So what would you do if I ever won?
5.
5.
Yes, that one's 1 year. And, I hate this one.
this one.
I
You know
know
what
what to do.
All you do is balance.
Just do this.
Like on the Wii game that I won?
Yeah.
When you make it all the way through, I won that.
You tilt your controller forward to move forward.
No! Sorry. Do you know who that was, Talon?
Brianna.
Yeah.
And Brianna, next time we do this game, I better not see you win.
This one you just sit there and go
You want this to go up?
Hold on,
Draw
what
in the
button do you
shapes.
push?
You want to come sit on my lap?
A or B.
So
Hey.
come on.
You hold A or B to paint the wall.
Okay?
Okay.
This one's like super easy. Even Talon can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, fine.
What are you supposed to hit?
A or B.
Like, why it's not like that? There you
Oh,
go.
fudge. Lost mine.
Look, I'm winning.
I hate mine. I hate this game. Whoever wins, I hate.
I won.
I hate you.
No, I won. Trina
think
won.
that's funny.
I hate you!
He's over here laughing.
Silence! Silence! I said silence! That means be quiet! I'm going on here one more time. Oh, I'm gonna come over there and punch you.
How many more turns do we have?
I don't know.
Probably a what?
30 minutes. I think that's enough of the recording. That was Talon. And there at the end, he did punch me.
Okay.
Talon.
Brianna.
I win.
Aunt Brianna, how do we beat her?
That was the final one, Bob. She won.
Well, how do we beat her?
I don't
On
know.
that one.
She won. You got anything to say to her?
How we beat you on that one? How? Please tell me. Please.
I don't know how you can beat me, Bubba.
Probably not fall off until you are done.
Hello!
I hate that. Candy. Next time I get right there, I'm going to take that candy.
Shove her right in you.
That way I can make you eat it and you'll become yourself.
Bring it, let's go.
It's my turn, actually.
Oh.